So we have article elide now. And how do we get article elide? Article elide is gotten from article défini. Let's remember our articles, our definite articles in French. We have la, le, and les. Good. So we get our article elide from article défini. How is it? For example, we use article elide whenever the word that follows the article défini starts with a vowel. I take it again. We use article elide whenever the word that follows article défini starts with a vowel. For example, we have la, which is not correct in French, but you can say une heure, okay, for article indéfini. Can we remember article indéfini? We have un, une, and des. So for we can use une heure. So that was why I changed it to la heure. But in French, it's not correct. So instead of saying la heure, you say le. Le. Now let's take the next word. We have le ami. It's not correct in French. You can say un ami for article indéfini, okay, un ami. But when it comes to article défini, which is supposed normally to be le ami, because the next word begins with an a, which is a vowel, you remove the e and it becomes l'ami. Everybody, l'ami. Good. So we have l'ami instead of le ami, but you can say un ami. So the next word we have ordinateur. Okay, ordinateur is a masculine word, so you can say un ordinateur, and using the article, the definite article is supposed to be le ordinateur. But since you can't say that because it starts with a vowel which is o, you have to use article elide and it becomes l'ordinateur. Everybody, l'ordinateur. L'ordinateur means computer, a computer, the computer. And l'ami is the friend. And means our. So our. So the next word we have aigle. Egg. Egg is a masculine word. You're supposed to say un egg. Okay, using your indefinite article. Un egg. So using the definite article is supposed to be le egg, but it's not correct in French, so that's why it becomes leg, because the word egg starts with a vowel which is a. Now let's come back to this word. We have now here it's not her, it's you say because the H here is silent, which is called H muet in French. So because it's silent, you will now look at the next word that follows the H, which is a vowel. So that's why it turns to become le, and not la heure. So is that clear? So yes, now let's go back to article défini. There are particular cases where it's used. Now, for example, when the word that follows the article is a verb, okay, you use article défini. For example, j'aime, okay, j'aime, this is the verb aimer, okay, j'aime le pain. Okay, j'aime le pain. Let me take the black marker. J'aime le pain. This is article correct, article défini, okay? And this means bread. It's bread. So j'aime le pain. I love bread. So that is when you use le. Whenever you're using these verbs, the article you're going to use next is article défini. Okay? You can say je déteste, je déteste, je déteste la banane. Okay, let me use black. La banane. Okay? Je déteste la banane. La. Banane means banana. Okay? Je déteste, déteste means to hate. Okay, this is to love. Then we have to hate, we have to prefer, and to adore. So you can say j'aime le pain. So whenever you're using these words, or sorry, these verbs, okay, the article that follows must be a definite article. Is that correct? Is that right? Did we all get that? So this is how article défini is being used, and also article élidé. So that will be the end for today's class. But before we go, I want to give us an assignment to try you. Okay.